Top St. Petersburg Roofer, Affordable Roofing Systems. Hello, St. Petersburg. Does your roof need attention? As experienced local roofers for over 25 years, Affordable Roofing Systems has the expertise to fix any roofing issue. Residential roofing. Whether you need a small roof repair, a new roof installation, or a full roof replacement, we provide reliable residential roofing to keep your home protected for years to come. Our team handles all roof types and only uses top-quality materials. Commercial roofing. We also specialize in commercial roofing services, tailored specifically for St. Pete businesses. Our durable roofing solutions are designed to withstand the demands of the local climate. Roof repairs for all roofing materials. Got a leak or storm damage? Our roof repairs use high-quality materials to fix any roof problem. No matter if it's asphalt shingle, metal roof, flat roof, or tile roof, we'll find the source and prevent further damage to your property. Local experts. With deep knowledge of St. Pete's weather patterns, we're equipped to address any roofing challenge. Our expertise and experience make us the top choice for roofer in St. Petersburg. Don't delay. Contact us today. Contact Affordable Roofing Systems at 813-542-8462 or visit affordableroofingflorida.com for superior roofing services from the experts trusted for over 25 years. With free estimates and no obligation, your decision is easy. Choose Affordable Roofing Systems.